Are you ready to transform your career with LinkedIn? Whether you are job hunting, networking, or building your personal brand, mastering this platform is essential. In this guide, we will unveil powerful strategies to make your profile stand out and attract the right opportunities. Say goodbye to missed connections and hello to your dream job. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of LinkedIn together. So, hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use LinkedIn for beginners. So the first step that you have to do is just open browser and dive into linkedin.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So LinkedIn is a professional networking platform designed to connect individuals and businesses. It allows users to create profiles that highlight their skills, experience, and achievements. One of the key benefits is the ability to network with industry professionals, which can lead to job opportunities and collaborations. Additionally, LinkedIn provides access to a wealth of resources, including articles, job postings, and industry insights. Using LinkedIn can significantly enhance your professional presence and open doors to career advancement. So, all I have to do right now is just stay tuned until the end of this video, where we will reveal insider tips on maximizing your LinkedIn profile. You won't want to miss your step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to attract co-creators and expand your network. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this is your chance to unlock LinkedIn's full potential. Let's dive in and transform your professional journey together. So let's get started. The first step that you have to do is create an account on LinkedIn. You have just to click over sign in, or you can also click over sign in with the email if you already have an account, and you have to just link it and find your account. Or you can also choose the option of Google. You can just continue with Google and you sign in. Also, here we have, if you want to create an account, you click over join now, and you'll find one page that you have to write your email address, your password, your city, your personal information. So once you click over sign in here, you'll find this page. You can also use the option of Google or Apple, as I said. Then you write your email address or password. Then you click over sign in to find your account. Or you can click over join now, and you have to write your personal information, and you get started and you find your account. Here we have it. So we have here various things. For example, here we have the home page, my network, jobs, messaging, notification, and we have here for business. All these options could help you guys. So about the first one, we have here home. So here you can just find the posts of jobs, and you can just talk with them or start discussing on messaging. Here we have in the right, so you can just start messaging with them and you get started. Also, we have here in the left other things like groups, if you want events, followed hashtags, or you can discover more. All right, so this is it for the home page. Here you can just prepare for your job search, add your work experience and skills to show your strength to recruiters, and you update your profile. And here we have, if you want to start a post, try writing with EA. So here we have media, event, write article. About try writing with EA, I will show you how you can do that. Then we have here the option of my network. About this one, we have here two options, grow and catch up. So on the left, we have here manage my networking. We have connections here, following and followers, groups, events, pages, newsletter, hashtags as well. Then about the grow, we have here pending invitations. You can just click over manage and you get started with that. So this is it. Then we have here catch up as well. So you can choose here job changes, birthdays, work anniversaries, education, and here we have no recent updates. As your network grows, you will get more updates. So you can just grow your network and you will recent that. Then we have here jobs. About jobs, we have suggested jobs searches. For example, if you search for marketing manager, HR, legal, sales, Amazon, Google analysts as well. You can just search for jobs by clicking here. Click here to continue searching over than 20 million jobs on LinkedIn. Then we have here in the left preference, my jobs, interview preparation, and we have here post a job with EA, manage job posts. About the first one, here preference, I will find here my interests, can just open to work, job alerts, my qualification, my verification as well. Then we have here my job. So we have posted jobs, we have saved, in progress, applied, and archived. So I have just to learn what hiring managers look for in answers to top interview questions. Tell me about a time you worked with a difficult person. Tell me about a time you disagreed with someone. Tell me about a time you had to manage conflicting priorities. So this is it. Then we have here interview prep, and we have here post a job with EA. So just click over this one to more understand. So you will find this page, as you can see. You have just to write your project manager, your job title, and you write with EA, or you can just write on my own. So for example, let's just give an example here, and let's choose, for example, write with EA, and you'll find this page, as you can see. Here we have the description firstly, and you have also here job details such as job title, company, workplace type, job location, and we have job type as well. So also you have just to click override with EA, and to click override with EA, and here we have it, as you can see, all descriptions, qualifications, company description, and this is it. Also about the skills, you can add skills keywords. Max here we have 10 to make your job more visible to the right candidates. Then here we have how did you hear about LinkedIn jobs. You select here, for example, TV, podcasts in the email, or here we have satellite radio, add on linkedin.com, streaming audio, orders, and then you click over next and you get started. So this is it. About how it works with the option of jobs and LinkedIn. Here we have it. Then we have here messaging as well. So you can just choose if it's Android, drafts, my connections, email, or start. Then we have here notification. We have also here for businesses. For example, we have find new clients, groups, manage billing. We have here talent insights, post a job and services marketplace. Then here we have also explore more for business. So for example, if you want to hire on LinkedIn, find, attract and recruit talents, sell with LinkedIn, unlock sales opportunities, post a job for free, be qualified applicant quickly, advertise on LinkedIn, acquire customers and grow your business. We have get started with premium, learn with LinkedIn admin center, and you have here create a company page if you want. So here we have create a LinkedIn page, connect with clients, employees, and the LinkedIn community. To get started, choose a page tab. If it's company, small, medium, and large business, showcase page, sub pages associated with an existing page. Then we have educational institution, schools, and universities. So this is it for this video, guys. See you again in the next video.